Welcome back to Canik USA, and today we are going to address what happens if you've reassembled your Canik improperly and now your slide's stuck. First thing you're going to do is grab your Canik punch tool that came with your Canik, and you are going to depress this little lever here in your back plate. And so once you depress it, you'll see your back plate's beginning to slide down. You'll just keep guiding it down. It'll fall out the bottom of your mag well, then you can pull out your striker assembly and then your slide will be released. So now your slide's been disassembled. Let's go ahead and put it back together. You're going to drop your striker assembly back into the slide with this notch facing down, otherwise it won't go in. Begin to line up your back plate. Then you can just take your punch tool and depress your striker. Now remember, there is spring tension there, so you're going to need to be careful and use a little bit of force. Click it into place. Now, you are just going to line up the notches on the slide with the slits in the frame, as so. Now you're good to go. Guys, if you liked the video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below.